going to talk about the preterit tense. First of all, the preterit tense, you must know 4 rules. The first rule is to narrate past events. Example would be, I rode a bike. In Spanish, monté en bicicleta. The second rule you must know is to express action that has been accomplished. An example would be, we won the game, woo! In Espanol, ganamos el campeonato. That's championship, not game, you must realize. The third rule is to narrate series of events that are not connected to the present tense. An example in English, I walked, I ran, then I jumped rope. In Espanol, caminé, corrí, y luego salté a la cuerda. Woo! The final rule is to narrate events that occurred in a definitive time period. In English, an example would be from 2001 to 2005. He lived in France. In Español, entre 2001 y 2005, vivió en Francia. Woo! Woo! Here we have up here the preterito word conjugation. Woo! Let me explain to you how to do it. First, you have AR, preterit regular endings. Aste, o, amos, astes, y Aaron. Woo! Aaron. Woo, yeah. Over here we have ER, IR. Iste, yo, imos, istes, y Aaron. Woo! You must realize these are regular endings, no? Not irregular verbs. They are irregular endings.
This is poster A. These are verbs that when they are in the preterite tense, they get a new stem, such as tener, which turns to tu. So if you said, I had a dog, you would say, tuve un perro. So, some of these stems have little stars next to them, and these stars correspond with the colors on the endings for the verbs. So, D has a yellow star. That means that when it is in the you-all form, when it is formal, you drop the I. So it is just dijeron.
I'm back again! I hurt my hand! Woo! But now I'm back, so I'm okay. Ir and ser, they change, you see? Ir turns to fui, fuiste, fue, fuemos, fuistes, and fueron. The same thing with ser, don't get mixed up. Ir, ser, same exact things in the preterite tense. I'm back again! We moved to poster C. It's dar and ver. You see these little cross verbs? Yeah, they cross the AR and ER out. Yes, that means it's no longer dar. You keep the D and add those onto it. So it's the iste, the io, the imos, the eron. Put together, diste, dio, dimos, dieron. Same exact thing with ver. You go va iste, va io, va imos, vieron. Put together, vi, viste, vio, vimos, vieron. Woo! Stop.
Hi, I'm Depressed Sam. I'm subbing in for Marley. This is poster D.
Poster D, yeah!
This is for soul verbs. If the verb in the present tense is an IR verb and is a shoe verb, meaning it changes from E to IE, O to UE, or E to I, then in the he, she form or you all form, it goes from O to U and E to I.
Like dormir! Woo! Time to sleep!
So in the preterite tense, it would be, you would change the O to the U. I. So with poster F, if the verb ends in CAR, GAR, or ZAR, in the yo form, it turns to QUE, GUE, or CE respectively, with an accent over the the E.
Aha! He makes bad decision, ha! You're bad, Depressed Sam. Bad boy, ha ha!
Wah, wah, wah.
For the imperfect, the key word is to describe. Use the imperfect to describe a habit that used to occur in the past, as in I used to vomit, or vomitaba. You can also use it to describe a situation that occurred in the past. As in, when I was 5, my cat rode a bike. Cuando tenía 5 años, mi gato montaba un bicicleta. Another time to use the imperfect is to describe a person in the past, either physically or morally. My dog had gray hair. He was kind. Mi perro tenía el pelo cano. Él era simpático. Can also use it to describe either a mental state or mood in the past, as in he was tired this morning in class, or in Spanish, él estaba cansada esta mañana en clase. The imperfect, unlike the preterit, has a very small number of irregular verbs. For the regular AR verbs, the conjugations are aba, abas, aba, abamos, abais, and aban. This goes from yo, you, he, she, we, you all informal, you all formal. For ER-IR, we have ia, ias, ia, iamos, iais, and ion in the same order as the AR. In ER-IR, the I has an accent above it.
Oh, look at that accent over everyone!
For the verbs that are irregular, they are ser, ir, and ver. For the yo form for ser, it is era, and then for you add an s, so it's eras. For we, you add mos, so it's eramos. For you all informal, you add is, so it's erais. And for you all, you add an n, so it's eran. Same goes for iba and veia. You just add the ending that goes with the correct subject.
Hola! Me llamo Sergio! Today we're going to talk about the preterit and imperfect tenses. First of all, there are 4 rules you must know.
It's recording.
Where am I starting?
I'll just start over.
Really? Just erase everything?
Yes.
Alright. What's my name? Should be Sergio?
I don't care. Just go.
Fernand? No, not Fernandez. Tito. I'm Tito. Alright, ready? No, I want Tito. Let's do Marley. Ready?